Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch daily.
What food do you eat?
I eat fast food.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love country.
Do you attend events?
Yes, I attend festivals.
Do you shop often?
Yes, I shop weekends.
Do you use smartphones?
Yes, I use constantly.
Do you enjoy barbecues?
Yes, I enjoy summer.
Do you follow trends?
Yes, I follow fashion.
Do you visit malls?
Yes, I visit monthly.
Do you love freedom?
Yes, I value independence.
Do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
Yes, I celebrate yearly.
Do you enjoy Halloween?
Yes, I love costumes.
Do you decorate Christmas?
Yes, I decorate trees.
Do you watch fireworks?
Yes, I watch July.
Do you give gifts?
Yes, I give presents.
Do you attend parades?
Yes, I attend holidays.
Do you cook turkey?
Yes, I cook Thanksgiving.
Do you like Easter?
Yes, I enjoy eggs.
Do you celebrate independence?
Yes, I celebrate 4th.
Do you honor veterans?
Yes, I honor them.
Do you visit California?
Yes, I visit beaches.
Do you like New York?
Yes, I love cities.
Do you explore Texas?
Yes, I explore ranches.
Do you know Chicago?
Yes, I know downtown.
Do you visit Florida?
Yes, I visit Miami.
Do you like Seattle?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you travel Boston?
Yes, I travel yearly.
Do you enjoy Denver?
Yes, I enjoy mountains.
Do you visit states?
Yes, I visit often.
Do you love Vegas?
Yes, I love nightlife.
Do you study history?
Yes, I study revolutions.
Do you vote elections?
Yes, I vote always.
Do you know presidents?
Yes, I know Lincoln.
Do you follow news?
Yes, I follow politics.
Do you discuss rights?
Yes, I discuss freedom.
Do you read Constitution?
Yes, I read often.
Do you visit monuments?
Yes, I visit Washington.
Do you know amendments?
Yes, I know rights.
Do you attend rallies?
Yes, I attend sometimes.
Do you like debates?
Yes, I watch debates.
Do you eat burgers?
Yes, I eat burgers.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pepperoni.
Do you eat snacks?
Yes, I eat chips.
Do you drink soda?
Yes, I drink cola.
Do you love barbecue?
Yes, I love ribs.
Do you eat tacos?
Yes, I eat Mexican.
Do you like donuts?
Yes, I like glazed.
Do you cook chili?
Yes, I cook weekends.
Do you eat popcorn?
Yes, I eat movies.
Do you try desserts?
Yes, I try pies.
Do you attend school?
Yes, I attend college.
Do you study majors?
Yes, I study science.
Do you take tests?
Yes, I take exams.
Do you join clubs?
Yes, I join sports.
Do you like teachers?
Yes, I like professors.
Do you do homework?
Yes, I do nightly.
Do you attend lectures?
Yes, I attend daily.
Do you use libraries?
Yes, I use often.
Do you apply scholarships?
Yes, I apply yearly.
Do you graduate soon?
Yes, I graduate spring.
Do you visit doctors?
Yes, I visit yearly.
Do you have insurance?
Yes, I have coverage.
Do you take medicine?
Yes, I take vitamins.
Do you check health?
Yes, I check regularly.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise mornings.
Do you visit clinics?
Yes, I visit sometimes.
Do you get vaccines?
Yes, I get yearly.
Do you eat healthy?
Yes, I eat vegetables.
Do you see dentists?
Yes, I see yearly.
Do you stay fit?
Yes, I stay active.
Do you drive cars?
Yes, I drive daily.
Do you follow rules?
Yes, I follow laws.
Do you use signals?
Yes, I use turn.
Do you check speed?
Yes, I check limits.
Do you wear seatbelts?
Yes, I wear always.
Do you stop signs?
Yes, I stop fully.
Do you park properly?
Yes, I park carefully.
Do you avoid distractions?
Yes, I avoid phones.
Do you take tests?
Yes, I take driving.
Do you renew licenses?
Yes, I renew yearly.
Do you use slang?
Yes, I use cool.
Do you say awesome?
Yes, I say often.
Do you understand chill?
Yes, I understand relax.
Do you use bro?
Yes, I use friendly.
Do you say dope?
Yes, I say great.
Do you use lit?
Yes, I use excited.
Do you say whatever?
Yes, I say casually.
Do you use dude?
Yes, I use often.
Do you say vibes?
Yes, I say good.
Do you learn slang?
Yes, I learn daily.
Do you prepare interviews?
Yes, I prepare answers.
Do you dress formally?
Yes, I dress suits.
Do you shake hands?
Yes, I shake firmly.
Do you answer clearly?
Yes, I answer confidently.
Do you ask questions?
Yes, I ask about.
Do you bring resumes?
Yes, I bring copies.
Do you practice skills?
Yes, I practice daily.
Do you follow up?
Yes, I follow emails.
Do you stay calm?
Yes, I stay relaxed.
Do you research companies?
Yes, I research always.
Do you call support?
Yes, I call sometimes.
Do you expect smiles?
Yes, I expect friendly.
Do you give feedback?
Yes, I give reviews.
Do you return items?
Yes, I return products.
Do you ask help?
Yes, I ask staff.
Do you tip servers?
Yes, I tip generously.
Do you complain issues?
Yes, I complain politely.
Do you use chat?
Yes, I use online.
Do you expect speed?
Yes, I expect quick.
Do you thank staff?
Yes, I thank always.
Do you rent apartments?
Yes, I rent monthly.
Do you own homes?
Yes, I own houses.
Do you pay utilities?
Yes, I pay bills.
Do you clean homes?
Yes, I clean weekly.
Do you decorate rooms?
Yes, I decorate often.
Do you check leases?
Yes, I check terms.
Do you live downtown?
Yes, I live city.
Do you like suburbs?
Yes, I like quiet.
Do you move often?
Yes, I move yearly.
Do you host guests?
Yes, I host sometimes.
Do you know visas?
Yes, I know types.
Do you apply citizenship?
Yes, I apply soon.
Do you study laws?
Yes, I study immigration.
Do you take tests?
Yes, I take civics.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak fluently.
Do you visit offices?
Yes, I visit USCIS.
Do you file papers?
Yes, I file documents.
Do you hire lawyers?
Yes, I hire help.
Do you learn history?
Yes, I learn facts.
Do you want citizenship?
Yes, I want status.
Do you watch NFL?
Yes, I watch football.
Do you like NBA?
Yes, I love basketball.
Do you follow MLB?
Yes, I follow baseball.
Do you attend games?
Yes, I attend yearly.
Do you cheer teams?
Yes, I cheer Cowboys.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play pickup.
Do you buy jerseys?
Yes, I buy team.
Do you watch playoffs?
Yes, I watch finals.
Do you like tailgating?
Yes, I enjoy parties.
Do you follow scores?
Yes, I follow daily.
Do you drive daily?
Yes, I drive work.
Do you shop groceries?
Yes, I shop weekly.
Do you eat out?
Yes, I eat weekends.
Do you use apps?
Yes, I use delivery.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I meet often.
Do you watch news?
Yes, I watch evening.
Do you work weekdays?
Yes, I work mornings.
Do you enjoy weekends?
Yes, I enjoy relaxing.
Do you pay taxes?
Yes, I pay yearly.
Do you love coffee?
Yes, I drink daily.